Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome once again to those of you watching on our One Spot Media platform. Up first this evening, only students preparing for exit exams will participate in face-to-face classes. That announcement was made today at a press briefing by Education Minister Favour Williams. This follows calls from some school administrators for physical classes to stop in light of the rapid increase in COVID-19 cases in Jamaica. Vashon Brown has our story.
The government started a phased reopening of 17 schools for face-to-face classes in November last year. Since then, over 400 schools have been approved for physical classes. However, only 300 schools have been using the face-to-face mode. In light of the spike in COVID-19 cases, the Jamaica Teachers Association, JTA, called for all face-to-face classes to be discontinued. Not quite what the JTA was asking for, but today Education Minister Favour Williams made this announcement.
Our schools that are open for face-to-face are only allowed to have our exit exam students in the face-to-face mode, and that would be students in grade 6 at the primary schools and students in grades 11, 12, and 13 at the high schools. And in terms of the time frame for this, it's taking effect today until further advised.
She says the issue was discussed with principals, the e-COVID task force, as well as the JTA. So with many schools now reverting to online classes and other modalities, questions about the digital divide and access to devices like laptops and tablets continue. The Education Minister says she knows that some students have not opened a single book during the period they have been outside of the physical classroom.
They are not online and they are not watching or listening to any lessons. We would have started our mobile intervention in which our teachers and some tertiary students go into communities and find these students and teach them in small groups of up to 5 for 1.5 hours, 2 times per week.
The Education Minister says the distribution of devices continue. As for the CSEC and CAPE exams, Acting Chief Education Officer Dr. Kassan Troop says a meeting will take place with the Caribbean Examination Council CXC regarding the final decision for the 2021 sitting.
We are awaiting that meeting. It's supposed to be convened this Friday with the region and CXC, and post that meeting we will reconvene with our principals to sensitize them of the final directive with respect to the sitting, and then we will have discussions concerning the way forward as we work together to prepare our boys and girls.
As it relates to the primary exit profile PEP, the Education Ministry will meet with primary school principals to discuss possible changes. In the meantime, as of February 21, 41 schools reported a positive or suspected case of COVID-19.
Total number of confirmed cases among our student population would be 47, and 6 suspected cases among staff. There would have been 23 confirmed cases and 18 suspected cases.
Vashon Brown, TVJ News.